Hi, let's talk about the hedge ratio, a key concept in setting up and maintaining a hedging relationship. The hedge ratio represents the proportion between the hedging instrument and the hedged item. In most cases, this ratio is 1:1, meaning 1 unit of the hedging instrument is used to hedge 1 unit of the hedged item. For instance, if an entity wants to hedge a fixed-rate debt instrument of rupees 10 crore and the hedging instrument is an interest rate swap, the notional amount of the swap would also be rupees 10 crore. This creates a hedge ratio of 1.1 and 80. However, the hedge ratio doesn't always have to cover 100% of the exposure. If an entity's risk management strategy hedges only a portion of the exposure, say 85%, then the hedge ratio must reflect that same percentage. For example, if an entity hedges 60% of a fixed-rate debt's exposure, it should designate 60% of the value of the debt security as the hedging item and use a hedging instrument aligned with that 60% exposure. Importantly, the hedge ratio used in the hedging relationship must align with the actual hedge undertaken as part of the entity's risk management strategy. Entities are not allowed to arbitrarily increase or decrease the hedge ratio beyond what their actual risk management practices dictate. Maintaining the correct hedge ratio ensures that the hedging relationship accurately reflects the entity's risk management objectives and meets hedge effectiveness requirements. Thanks for joining.